You are a bull. Welcome back to the show. We had you on last year to talk about Bitcoin. Back then, you said you were very bullish on the potential for Bitcoin. Right now, you're giving us some interesting price targets: 100,000 by the end of 2024, 200,000 by the end of 2025. What are the catalysts for this nearly two-year rally?
Right now, as you just mentioned, it's the ETFs. You've had huge inflows. The inflows to the new nine is $14 billion. The net inflow, once you take Grayscale out, which has had selling so far, is about $6 billion already. It's about 110,000 new Bitcoins are being held in a net sense with the new nine minus the Grayscale outflow. So that's driving us right now. Obviously, we also have the halving coming up. We're about 6 weeks away from that as well. So I suspect we'll print a fresh all-time high right around the time of the halving, perhaps even before that, given the price action over the past week or so. And then as we head through this year, we should also see the broader market, i.e. Fed rate cuts probably by the middle of the year as well. That should continue to help. So we have the ETF inflows, the halving, we have the Fed likely to help us as well down the track. We have this growth narrative, which seems to be helping lift all stocks as well at the moment. So really everything heading in the right direction.
So you're clearly bullish. Just basically everything's pro-Bitcoin right now. David, I'm going to come over to you. You're a bear when it comes to Bitcoin, but just to be fair, you're not anti-cryptocurrency, but you think that Ether is going to create a lot of competition for Bitcoin.
Well, I'm very worried about the entire crypto market, and it's largely because of the ancillary market, Tether. And Tether has about a $96 billion market cap. And what's interesting, guys, is that JP Morgan just a few days ago, January 22nd, here's the headline: JP Morgan warns of increased risk for crypto market due to Tether's lack of regulatory compliance and transparency. They also mentioned that rapid expansion could create problems. Now, Tether has had a significant fine, $40 million from the CFTC back in 2021, and also the New York Attorney General. So people that are super bullish on the crypto market ought to really take a look at Tether.
All right. By the way, David, thank you for correcting me. I think I said Ether. I did mean to say Tether. I just think I left the T off of what I wanted to say right there. Jeff, I want to come back over to you. The halving, it sounds like a horror movie, but actually it's expected to be good for Bitcoin.
Exactly. So in about 6 weeks from now, the new Bitcoins that come from the mining process will halve. So right now, that comes in at about 6.25 each time. That's going to halve. So literally the inflation rate, which is right now about 1.7% in new coins year on year, is going to go down to about 0.8%. So that's one very large positive. You also see in the mining community, you tend to see consolidation around that. Miners have been buying new, much more productive, efficient computers over the past 12 months. So that also helps. So that's why the halving process is very important. It's been a catalyst in previous cycles. But of course, this time we have the ETF inflow as well. So ETF inflow plus halving 100,000. If anything, my targets are now starting to look too conservative.
You know, there's been a lot of talk about this halving coming up. David, yesterday we saw the Bitcoin miners. They actually traded lower, even though Bitcoin's trading higher. You know, some analysts believing the halving and the fact they're going to make less for Bitcoin mining possibly a factor. But in your mind, why isn't the halving? Why isn't that going to be a big boost for Bitcoin that we already see is rallying very strongly?
So halving has historically created up cycles in Bitcoin prices. There's no doubt about that. And that's an issue that is certainly favorable. But I feel like this underlying issue, people have talked about this Tether issue for a while. And really, this is a huge deal that JP Morgan provided this warning right now. And so if you look at Tether, from what I understand, they're still not doing audits. They're doing attestations. Now, think about that. How about audits, not attestations? And they're doing these attestations every quarter. There ought to be more than that. People need to come out and ask, where are the audits?
Okay, I want to ask both of you very quickly. We do have to get going. Inflation and the economic conditions, how do they play a part when it comes to Bitcoin? Of course, today we're waiting for PCE, the Fed's preferred inflation gauge. The Fed's also signaled higher for longer. Jeff, I'm going to come back to you first again. If inflation stays elevated, if it's still higher for longer, we see these rate cuts pushed out very quickly. How does that impact Bitcoin?
The core use case for Bitcoin is an alternative to the broader financial conditions, right? So when the Fed and other central banks were printing money in 2020, that obviously helped Bitcoin push quite a lot higher because there was slightly less trust in the traditional financial system, if you like, in terms of central banks. We saw that last year as well, where we had problems with SVB, et cetera, in March. Right now, inflation isn't really too much of a problem. Rate cuts will help, but so long as the economy remains strong, which it looks like it is, and inflation doesn't reaccelerate to the top side, i.e. we don't get rate hikes from the Fed anytime in this cycle, I think it's fine.
All right, David, agree, disagree? I mean, inflation higher for longer, what does it mean in your mind for Bitcoin?
So inflation being higher is definitely good for Bitcoin. We were actually bullish with our small hedge fund Bitcoin back in 2020, and we rode Bitcoin from 10,000 to about 50,000. So we're not always bear on Bitcoin. Definitely, we have fiat money today, so hold gold instead.